The trial resumed at the Polokwane High Court on Wednesday. The witnesses that have been called by the state are law enforcement officers who effected the arrest of Zacharia Olivier, Rudolph Divet, and Zimbabwean national William Musora. The police officers testified about the processes which unfolded after Olivier was arrested, including getting Olivier to sign a confession statement. This prompted the court to allow the defense's request for a trial within a trial. The defense pressed state witness Captain Paladi Makola if he struck a deal with Olivier in exchange of the accused signing the confession statement.
There was no deal, there was no change, and there was nothing that I offered. The accused person told me that the 204 is a young man and he doesn't know anything. He's responsible for everything. He's going to tell, he will give the statement.
It also emerged during the state witness's testimony that Olivier sobbed heavily during his arrest. The state witness further pointed out that Olivier, who was emotional at the time, made an alleged confession to the double murder of Maria Makato and Kuza Ndlovu.
I spoke with Mr. Olivier. He started to cry. I was not taking any statement. Then after he told me things that I will not mention, and I then noticed that those things he's admitting. It's when I made an effort to get an officer to come and take the statement down.
The defense countered the testimony by the witness.
Now, when a man is crying and he's highly emotional, and he comes to and he starts confessing or speaking to you, surely that cannot be said that such a man was of sound and sober sense. He was calm, he knew what was happening, and he was aware.
There were back and forth arguments during examination in chief between the state and the defense about the manner in which Olivier's alleged confession statement was acquired. The defense argued that Olivier was not allowed an opportunity to have a legal representative at the police station where he signed the statement. The witness informed the court that Olivier informed him that he was, quote unquote, bankrupt and could not afford a lawyer.
Did you say anything, utter any word about you bankrupting Mr. Olivier and or promising him that he's not going to be afforded an opportunity for legal representative? Did you say something about that?
The trial will be held for 3 days in July.
The case against both of you is postponed to the 6th July 2026, 6th July 2026 to the 9th of July 2026 for further hearing, and you are both still remanded in custody.
A third police officer is expected to testify when the matter resumes. Katlego Nyoni, SABC News, Polokwane.